Atmamayamritirajan Purusyanubhavatmanaha Nagate tarta sambandha Swapnadrashturvanjasa Bahurupa ivabhati Mayaya bahurupaya Ramamano guneshvasya Mamaham iti manyate Yarhi bhavam himnisve Parasmin kalamayo Prameta kata sammohas Tyaktabodaste tudobhayam Atma tattva vishuddhyartam Yadaha bhagavanvitam Brahmane darshayan rupam Avyadhiko vritaditaha Sadidevo jagatam puro guru Svadishnyamataya svikshayakshata
Sāṅgnādyagacchāt disamatta sampatā Prapaccha nirmāna vidijjaya bhavēt Sādideva jagatāṃ paro guru Kṛṣṇa sisikṣayaiksata Sāṅgnādyagacchati samatta sammatāṃ Prapaccha nirmāna vidijjaya bhavēt Sayādideva jagatāṃ paro guru Sadhisnamasaya sisikṣayaiksata Sāṅgnādyagacchati samatta sammatāṃ It is dha and ya, nadhya. Yes. Nadhigacchati, nadhyagacchati. Sāṅgnādyagacchati samatta sammatāṃ Prapaccha nirmāna vidijjaya bhavēt Chant each one. Next. This is the original problem. Even the great scientist, one who wants to discover something, it is not that somebody wishes to do something to discover something immediately comes. No. He finds it difficult, and therefore he makes researches how to do it. So when he is very keen and persistent, then from within the Paramatma, when he sees that this man wants to do it, so he gives him direction. Yes, to do like that. He is not actually inventor or discoverer. He is not. He tries. Man proposes, God discovers. Here is Brahma's problem. If Brahma is self-sufficient to create, why he is in perfection? He is in perfection. Lord Brahma, the first spiritual master, supreme, could not trace out the source of his glory. He could not trace out where from he is born, and what to speak of other things. This is our interest. We do not know where from we have come, and where we have to go, and why we are suffering. And we are proclaiming ourselves, MA, PhD, DSc, and so on. But we do not know where from we have come. Anyone, a scientist, big scientist, MA, PhD, DSc, asking that where from you have come and where you will go. He cannot answer. He will think that I have come from the womb of my mother. That's all. Where from you came to the womb of your mother. The father injected. Where your father got you. His answer will be. So, this is the problem. Nobody is self-independent. Everyone is dependent on Krishna. Maya dhakshena prakriti siyati sacha. Everything. Aham adihi divanam in Bhagavad Gita. And the origin of all the demigods. The Brahma is also demigod. Brahma is born out of the lotus stem, which is grown from the abdomen of Vishnu. So, he has to find out the source of his birth. That is stated here. Could not trace out the source of his lotus seed. And while thinking of creating the material, that you are to create, he was born, he was given birth just to assist Vishnu to create. Then he could not understand the proper direction how to create. These are the actual problems. Everyone is trying to create. The creative energy is there in every living entity because he is part and parcel of the original creator. But he cannot create independently. These rascals, they do not. They will say accident. Necessities, what is that? Rascal, he has written book.
Chance and necessity.
Huh?
Chance and necessity.
Chance and necessity. You feel some necessity and there is a chance by physical. The rascal does not, the chance is not a physical. The chance is given by Kṛṣṇa. You are so much anxious for this, all right, here is it. Quiet, come on. They take it, it has taken by chance, accident. There are many chemists who are discovering many compositions, mixing this liquid in the test tube. And all of a sudden, they see that it has come successful. They take it a chance. So therefore, their rascal brain cannot understand that it is the chance. It is not chance. It is an opportunity given by Kṛṣṇa to you. You are so much laboring hard, all like this. Matta smriti jnanam apohanancha, the Bhagavad Gita. I gave that intelligence. They take it as chance. There is no question of chance. There is no question of chance. When you become perplexed, you want to do something, Kṛṣṇa gives you the opportunity, all right, do it. That is his mercy. There is no question of chance. There is nothing like chance. This is foolish proposition. Everything, this like this flower is coming. There is immense manufacturing process. Suppose if you want to manufacture a flower like this, you have to secure so many things. The color, the ingredient, the paper, the brass, so many. Still you cannot do like this. So if your nonsense artificial flower takes so many instrumental assistants, brain. How do you think that this has come automatically? There is brain. It is not chance. You have no eyes to see. Therefore you call chance. But a devotee, he sees. He does not see this flower. He sees the hand of Kṛṣṇa, how he is preparing. How is preparing Kṛṣṇa. Therefore, a devotee does not see anything except Kṛṣṇa, because he sees the craftsmanship hands of Kṛṣṇa, how he is preparing. He sees Kṛṣṇa. He does not see this flower. The rascal sees this flower and he thinks that it is coming out by chance. No chance. There is no question of chance. Parasya Shakti Vividai Vasyate. His intelligence, his energy, he are so subtle and working. It's like we have got so many examples. Electronic. There is one typewriter there, there is one typewriter here, and one pushes the key there, and here cut. So the one who does not know, rascal, he says, it is chance. It's not chance, there is electronic work. They have discovered something, how Kṛṣṇa's energies are working. This is electronic, there is a television. Working. One man talking 5,000 miles away, and the man is seen by electronic. It is immediately transferred. Now the fool will see it is chance, it is something. No, there is work, but you cannot see how the method and process of the work is going on. There is everything working. Not chance, there is no question of chance. Everything is there, but Kṛṣṇa's power, energy is so subtle, that so inconceivable by us, we cannot understand. Mayadhapkena prakriti ishvati sacha asaram. Kṛṣṇa says, so don't take it as chance. Mayadhapkena, under my superintendence, I am directing. Direction. Here is direction. He could not find out the direction. He could not understand the proper direction. The direction has to be taken from Kṛṣṇa. Then everything will be done. Otherwise, there is no question of chance or what is that? Necessity? Chance. No, there is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. There is nothing like a miracle. For me, it is miracle. Just like somebody asking me some money, so I have no money, I simply write here, go to Samsung, and he presents the slip, and he gets immediately $100. So he will think it is chance. There is simple little paper, produce $100. The foolishly he may think that there is something, magic, he has written something. But no, there is some arrangement. There is no question of chance. Everything is there, arrangement, everything is direction. But our insufficient brain, because with our teeny brain, we think that we are all successful, we are all perfect. Therefore, we rascals, we take it as chance and necessity like that. There is no second. Even Brahma could not. The actual creator of this universe, what he has created? He has created so many planets. So he could not. And what we are? So these are rascal only. There is no question of chance, there is no question of accident. Everything is working under subtle laws, under subtle direction of Kṛṣṇa. No, read it.
Purport.
if you understand Krishna, just like I was speaking, that the devotee does not see how the flower is growing. He sees Krishna, he is working. Just like a painter is painting some flower, and I am seeing. So, similarly, he sees Krishna, Krishna's hand in it. That is explained. What is that? As soon as you know the Lord, then you know everything. That is Vedic injunction. Jasmin vigyate sarvamidam vigyatam bhavanti. Knowing whom, one can understand everything very well. Then,
One who knows is
therefore our process is to know everything through Krishna. That is perfect knowledge. Or through Krishna's representation. That is perfect knowledge. Otherwise, sama eva hi kevalam. Sama means labor. Sama eva hi kevalam. So, I think one has to know.